Hi, my Princess House fans. Linda Bradley here with your Miracle Dish Monday. So have you heard the news? The star of my show, the Miracle Dish, is being discontinued from Princess House. We're so sad. So if you want this piece, make sure you get it. Reach out to me, Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com. You don't want to miss it. 3 quarts on the bottom, 1.5 quarts on the top. Put together, it is a 4.5 quart casserole. It comes with the plastic lid, which is great for storage and transporting. Love, love, love this piece. So my recipe today is for a super simple dinner that you can make tonight with either products. I'm hoping that you already have at home. So I have chicken, and it's actually called taco lime chicken. So you can either use, they have the bottled lime, and you can use taco seasoning, or you can actually make your own taco seasoning. And I'll post the recipe below. It's pretty easy. It's amazing how many things you can make that you already have, and you don't have to go to the store and buy the stuff that has all the preservatives in it. It's super delicious. So it basically has chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red peppers, oregano, cumin, salt, and pepper. And you can make your own taco salad. So this is how this recipe works. I am going to use the top of this dish because we're going to marinate our chicken breasts. So I've already cleaned them, and I'm going to just put them in the bottom, or I should say the top. I don't know which one you want to think of it this way, of this dish. And then I'm going to pour the sauce over top of it. Secret sauce. So the sauce that I'm using today is 3 tablespoons, is it 3 or 2? Sorry, 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Again, you can use the store one or make your own, and 1/4 cup of the limes. Just to give you an idea, if you use your own limes, there's 2 things that you can do. If you put them in the microwave for 10 seconds, limes or lemons, they actually give you more juice, and you should also roll them and put a little pressure on them before you actually squeeze them, and that's another way to get more juice. All right, so here's my little mixture. 3 tablespoons of the taco seasoning, 1/4 cup of the lime, and you're just going to pour it over your chicken, and you're going to let it marinate. So you can do this for as little as 30 minutes. You can even go overnight if you want, and it's going to take your chicken to the next level. So that's it. It's done, right? It's in here marinating. And so then you can cook it. There's 3 ways you can cook it. You can throw it on the grill. And if you do, it's basically 3 to 5 minutes on the grill, done, easy peasy. Or you can put it in the oven at about 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. It depends on how thick your chicken breasts are, and you want to test it with a temperature thermometer. It should be 165 degrees. And the third way is to go ahead and use our Miracle Dish and pop it in the microwave for 6.5 minutes a pound. The only thing with the microwave is that you do want to make sure that the chicken all cooks evenly. Sometimes if it's stacked on top of each other, it doesn't necessarily all cook evenly. So just check it. Same thing, use your thermometer. All right, so this is it. Taco lime grilled chicken, a super easy recipe that you and your family will love. You can certainly throw it on a salad, serve it with couscous, rice, potatoes, whatever you would like. I miss